Right guys, how are we doing? Back with another video. This video is a really good video. Really excited because big things are happening now. I don't know if you can see behind me, but we've got a delivery. So I'm a bit excited. I don't want to jump ahead and miss bits, so I'll tell you what it is. So to start off with, we have lower gasket set, which is everything on the engine below the head. We have, sorry if you can hear an angle grinder, people working. New head gasket, exhaust, thermostat, everything in there. We have rear crankshaft seal. What are these? Inlet valves. We have everything. I have 4 new pistons, which are in here. 4 new liners, which are in here. 4 sets of rings, which are in here. Springs, everything to refurb a head. All the springs. That's your front crankshaft seal. There are the valves. All the springs. I'll show you. So you got, as I said, springs, inlet valves. Oh no, they're exhaust valves, my bad. More springs, collets, nickel collets, loads of them, and if I can find one, there is a valve, yeah there we are, a load of valve guides. I have enough for the entire engine. This is the complete engine overhaul kit from Agroline, so I have everything. Crank seals rear, front and back, all the valves, all the springs, all the collets, all the guides, cylinder head, everything there. There's your rocker cover gasket, head gasket, all the seals for the lower part of the engine. And then over here, these are my rings. I won't open them because I don't want to risk breaking anything. These are the liners. I will open these now because I'm sure everyone will want to have a gander at what I've got. There's a liner. It's in wax paper. I'll leave it in wax paper until I'm ready to fit it because I don't want it to go rusty. So there's them. I will open one of these. Feeling generous. If I can open it one-handed. Here we are. Slide them out. As you can see, it's just rings. Very nice indeed. So we have 4 of them. Got 4 liners, and then piston wise we have 4 pistons. So ooh, nice new piston there. We have the new pin, and obviously the new clips. Slide this out. There you go. Look at that. New piston. So obviously, and then I've got 4 lots of them because it's a 4-cylinder engine. I've also been working on the new water pump, which I got. Let me show you this. There we go. The video for this is coming out soon. I've been working quite hard on this. I've obviously you have to swap some bits over. So this video is in the making. So I've got everything here to overhaul the engine. I'll show you the engine. So here's the engine. I've been getting it ready to rub down and paint. You see there, that's all been cleaned. This has all been cleaned, all rubbed down. It's going to get primered, and then next week I'm going to be painting it in the proper grey. And the bonnet, there's a surprise coming. I found something out about this tractor that I'm really excited about. So it's a special tractor. You'll find out probably sometime 2 weeks from now. You'll probably find out. But yeah, this tractor's special. That's all I'll say. So thanks for watching another video, guys. I really do appreciate everybody who watches. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers now. We're at 861 at the time of recording this. So I really do appreciate every single one of you who have subscribed. All the people that keep liking the videos and commenting, really appreciate you guys. You're the main reason why I do it, because I really do enjoy having conversations with you. It's really fun. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's Samuel by Grey Farming. people that do follow me on Instagram will know that this video is coming, and they do know when videos are coming out because I post quite a bit on my Instagram. So if you follow the Instagram, you'll see what's happening. Subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. If you feel like you want to subscribe. You're smart enough to know how to do that one now. You know how the bell works and all that. What else can I tell you? Hit like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm just really happy at the minute. Yeah, we're getting there with the tractor. Got all the kit. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.